so today we have the problem AB is equal to 10 times the quantity A plus B, and we need to find all pairs A, B that are within the interval 0 is less than B, which is less than or equal to A. So in order to do this, first we're just going to solve for A. So I distributed in my 10, then I subtracted 10A over to the left side, then factored out an A and divided by B minus 10, which eventually got me A is equal to 10B over B minus 10. Now this actually changes the interval of values we can have because our value A has to be a positive integer. So this, the denominator, cannot be negative. So B has to be greater than 10. So 10 is now less than B, which is less than or equal to A. So going on from here, what you really have to do is just start guessing and checking. So I'm going to plug in 11 and just keep going until I hit a stopping point, which I'll explain later. So when you plug in 11, you get 110 over 1. 110 over 1 is equal to 110. So that pair checks out. When you plug in 12, you get 120 over 2, which is equal to 60. So that pair checks out. When you get to 13, you get 130 over 3, and that's not an integer, so it doesn't work. When you get to 14, you get 140 over 4, which is equal to 35, which checks out. Then we get 150 over 5 for B equals to 15, and that is equal to 30. So that one checks out as well. 16 gives us A is equal to 160 over 6, which does not work. 17 gives us 170 over 7, which also doesn't work. 180 over 8 doesn't work, and 190 over 9 also doesn't work. Now we're going to hit our stopping point. So A is equal to 200 over 10 for B is equal to 20. So A is also equal to 20. Now A and B can be the same because looking back at our intervals, B is able to equal A. But we know that A always has to be greater than or equal to B. If we continue to go, B will be higher than A is. But this pair does check out. So then we end up with 5 pairs, 11 and 110, 12 and 60, 14 and 35, 15 and 30, and 20 and 20.